the 2013 Hyundai Genesis. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has fewer than 40,000 kilometers. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Hyundai infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a tachometer, a built-in garage door transmitter, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, automatic temperature control, heated door mirrors, and leather upholstery. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Hyundai ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and rear side impact airbags, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.